Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Now, I'm not actually sure if this has SD card support. I have it here just in case, but we'll see in a moment. But to get started, you will want to grab a SIM ejector, which will look something similar to this. Might not look as good. Typically, you'd be expecting something like this instead. But yeah, you'd be looking for that in a box somewhere between the paperworks. Now, if you can't find it, what you could do is use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, cut off the plastic wrap around it, and it should work as well as this. All you really need to do is just pop out with it the tray that is located at the bottom. So in here, you can see we have two little holes. So this one and this one. You want to obviously utilize the one that is part of this cutout. That's your SIM tray. This is actually your microphone. If you poke it, nothing happens, so don't worry. So from here, we're going to push that in. And you can see that the tray, there we go. The tray pops out, and now free to pull it out. And like I thought, there is no SD card support, unfortunately, in here, so off you go. So we're just going to use our SIM card. Now, when it comes onto the SIM card, we do have retention brackets in here, so you want to make sure that it is clipped in correctly. It should be all the way in, completely flush on the tray. And if you flip it upside down, this card should not be falling out from the tray. Now, you do have another tray at the bottom, so you can pop in a secondary SIM card if you want to. I'm only using one. Now, you don't need to use the top one, you can use the bottom if that's better for you for some reason, so don't worry. Either one will work, or both. Anyway, once you insert the card back into the device, it should start working right away. There we go. So I do have a pin on my SIM card, so I need to first confirm it to unlock it. And once I do so, pattern, and there we go. We're done. Our SIM card is now unlocked and ready to connect to services, which it will do automatically. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.